Today we will learn about expanded notation. This is the first concept for 4th standard from first lesson revision. What is the expanded notation? Expanded notation means a number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So what is the expanded notation? A number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. We already know what are the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Now we take one example, that is 34,652. 34,652. So what is the expanded notation? A number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands and 10,000. Now, first example is a 34,652. What is the first step? First we label the place values. 2. 2 in which place here? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay. So first we take this number 3. 3 in which position here? 3 in 10,000 position. So 3 multiplied by its place value. So 3 in which position? 10,000 position. So 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus next number. Next number is a 4. 4 is multiplied by its position. 4 in which position here? 4 in 1000 position. So 4 multiplied by 1000 plus next one is a 6. 6 in which position here? 6 in 100 position. So 6 multiplied by 100. Then next one is a 5. So 5 is in which position here? 5 in 10th position. 5 multiplied by 10. Then 2 in which position here? 2 in 1's position. 2 into 1. So what is the expanded notation? A number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. This is called a expanded notation. So this is called a expanded notation. Let me take one more example. 45,373. So here also, what is the first step? First we label the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. What is the expanded notation? A number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So first we take number 4. Number 4 in which position? Number 4 in a 10,000 position. So 4 multiplied by 10,000 plus 5. 5 in which position? 5 in 1000 position. So 5 multiplied by 1000 plus next one is a 3. 3 in which position here? 3 in 100 position. 3 multiplied by 100 plus 7. 7 in which position here? Tens. So 7 multiplied by 10. So next one is a 3. 3 in which position here? 3 in 1's position. So 3 multiplied by 1. So what is the expanded notation? A number represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So this number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So it is called a expanded notation. Now we solve the exercise question. First question is read each numbers, give its expanded notations. So what is the first number? 9433. Here already they given the place values. So first we label the place values. 3 in which place here? Ones, tens place, that is in 100, that is in 1000 place. Okay. So what is the expanded notation? Expanded notation, a number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place value. So already we label the place values. So 3 in which place here? Ones, then 3 in tens place, 100 and 1000. So first we take first number, it is a 9. So 9 in which position here? 1000 position. Already they given here. 9 multiplied by 1000 is a 9000. 9 into 1000 is called a 9000. Then second one is a 4. 4 into 4 is in which place? 4 is in 100 place. So 4 multiplied by 100 or 400. Then next one is a 3. 3 in which place here? Tens place. So 3 tens. 3 multiplied by tens. Then again 3 in which place here? Ones place. So 3 multiplied by 1. This is called a expanded notation. So second one is a 7047. So here ones, 7 in which place here? Ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. First we label the place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 7 in which place here? 1000 place. So 7 multiplied by 1000. So 0 in which place here? 100 place. Okay. So 0 multiplied by 100, or we can leave this 0. Then 4 in which place here? 4 in tens place. 4 in which place here? Tens place. So 4 multiplied by tens. Then 7 in which place here? Ones place. So 7 multiplied by 1 is called a expanded notation. Third one. So in this how many digits are there? 5 digits. First we label the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So first we take this number 2. Number 2 in which position here? 10,000 position. So we multiply 2 by its place value. So 2 multiplied by its place value. So 2 multiplied by 10,000 is a 20,000. Now 1 in which place here? 1000 place. 1000. So 1 multiplied by 1000. So again 2 in which place here? 100 place. So 2 multiplied by 100. The next one is a 5 tens, because 5 in which place? Tens place. So 5 multiplied by tens. The next one is a 4 ones. 4 multiplied by 1. So this is called a expanded notation. What is the expanded notation? Expanded notation, a number is represented as the sum of each digit in a number multiplied by its place. These 3 questions for your homework. First one is a 48,193. Second one is a 27,808 and third one is a 51,732. Please complete the given homework. We will meet in next class.